RIYADH, the 19th of November 2017. When the procedures implemented by the Arab coalition forces to restore legitimacy in Yemen in terms of dealing with its military objectives, namely the sites used by the Houthi and ousted Salehs militias, are consistent with the international humanitarian law and its customary rules, the Joint Incident Assessment Team, JIAT, has affirmed. The Saudi press agency quoted the JIAT spokesman and legal advisor Mansour bin Ahmed AlMansour as saying at a press conference at King Salman Air Base here today, that the team has investigated all allegations involving the coalition's operations against the military sites used by the Houthi and ousted Salehs militias, and found out that based on accurate intelligence, the procedures and actions taken by the coalition forces have been correct and comply with the international humanitarian law and its customary rules, including engagement rules. He affirmed that the coalition forces have targeted ballistic missile launching sites used by the coup perpetrators, stressing that the military operations launched by the coalition forces hit legitimate military targets. The Houthi and the ousted militias are using sites adjacent to hospitals, he said, affirming that the coalition forces have not targeted Al Sabeen Maternity Hospital, rather targeting specific buildings which were legitimate military targets, using precisely guided bombs. He added that JIAT, based on intelligence information, found out that the leaders of the armed Houthi militia, accompanied by foreign experts from different nationalities, have seized Al Zadia security building for military purposes, and therefore the building lost its legal protection prescribed in international conventions. Coalition forces targeted the building, using precision-guided bombs, he explained. The JIAT spokesman concluded that the coalition forces' procedures regarding the military objective were correct, and in accordance with international humanitarian law, including its customary rules, and that allegations about the operations resulted in causalities are false. Wamhadam Mohammed Hassan Bashir.